How to merge multiple PDF files on Android. This tutorial shows you how to combine your PDFs into one single file using I Love PDF directly from your browser on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, tap on the address bar at the top of the screen. From there, type in ilovepdf.com and tap Go to open the website. At this point, you'll land on the I Love PDF homepage showing a list of PDF tools available. In the next step, tap on Merge PDF from the list of tools. Following this, tap on Select PDF Files to begin uploading your files. Once done, your file manager will open. Navigate to where your PDF files are stored and tap on the first one to select it. From here, tap on the plus icon or Add More Files to upload the remaining PDFs you want to combine. At this stage, once all your files are uploaded, you'll see them listed on the screen in order. After this, press and hold any file to drag and rearrange them if you want to change the order before merging. Once completed, once you're happy with the arrangement, tap on Merge PDF to start the combining process. Finally, the website will process your files, and once ready, tap on Download Merged PDF to save the combined file directly to your device's Downloads folder. And that's it! If this Android guide helped you combine your PDF files into one, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.